In this video guys, I will show you how to join HYPERSHOT Discord server. So guys, on the search Google, write this Discord/invite/HYPERSHOT. You can see this URL. After that guys, when you click this URL, you see this page. Click the first result. From here you see this page, click join Discord server. When you click join a Discord server, from here HYPERSHOT, you will see this is Discord server guys. Click accept invite. From here this option guys, click accept invite, and then when you click accept invite guys, you will be joined successfully on this Discord server without any problems. As you can see here guys on the screen, you see this Discord server. So guys, it is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Just complete the verification steps to see all features.